Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're baking cod. The last few weeks have been kind of difficult, so I'm doing another easy one. If you've never baked fish before, super easy. We're going to start by patting it down with a paper towel. You want to get everybody as dry as you can, keeping in mind that it's still fish. Also, we are adding to the difficulty level with this particular fish because I just got back from the grocery store and it's still partially frozen. A normal, sane person would just thaw it in the sink in a little cold water and it'd be fine. This is mostly thawed, so I'm just gonna put it in the oven and hope for the best. And if you want to criticize me for that, that's fine. Once you've dried it off, we're bringing it over to our baking sheet, which is approximately fish sized. The oven's preheating to 375 degrees and we're going to mix up a little seasoning. It's not going to be difficult. It's going to be super simple. You could just buy a pre-made fish seasoning, but I don't really find those worthwhile once you have a full spice rack. So we're going to start with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons Italian seasoning. And I'm going to leave the pepper mill out for when it comes out of the oven. Now I'm going to shake it, bop it, pull it, usual drill, till I have this lovely seasoning mix. Now we're over here with the fish. We're going to anoint it in oil. Just rub the fish all over. Once everybody's got oil, I'm going to season the backside. Go as heavy as you want to go. Then we're going to flip them and season the other side. Okay, so I don't need to make more seasoning, but I did notice that I was running out of Italian seasoning toward the end of that, so I'm going to pluck it back up with some more. That's one benefit of using one of these 3-in-1 seasonings. If you find yourself using a bunch of the same thing over and over again, you can just buy yourself some Italian seasoning. But again, if you don't, just keep your normal spice rack, right? Right. I'm going to go ahead and add some freshly cracked black pepper, just because I like freshly cracked black pepper. If you don't do that. This is going in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. 20 minutes later, and we're ready to serve up dinner. Now, I may have overseasoned this, we'll see. Flaky, looking good, got a good flake. No, that's good, that's good. Too hot to eat right now, but that's good. I just burned me. I just burned the inside of my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna let this cool slightly, then I'm gonna consume it. I'm hungry. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.